must have electricity, and you will not pay for estimated bill anymore. A promise made will be a promise kept. If I can't keep the promise and I come back for second term, don't vote for me. That's the truth.
Can I quickly ask you a question? If winning election means you know how to run the country well, do you think Nigeria will still be like this today? Because every 4 years, we see the same pattern. Before election, it is confidence. But after election, it is confusion. Some people are very good at politics, but very bad at governance. If this topic has crossed your mind before, just type "I'm listening" in the comments and let me know you are here with me. It will surprise you if I tell you that politics and governance are not the same thing. Politics is all about how to win election. It's about how to grab the power, how to control party structures, and how to silence opposition. While governance is about how citizens live and enjoy dividends of good governance, dividends of democracy, how the country system works, how the future of the country will be better than today. In Nigeria, we confuse these things together. If someone can speak big grammar, fight well, mobilize the crowd, buy vote, grab the power, and win election, we assume automatically that he can govern well. If this difference is already making sense to you, just tap the like button. It helps the message to reach more Nigerians. Imagine this: a man knows how to enter the kitchen by fighting, manipulation, bribes the gatekeeper, breaks the door to enter, and so many other things he could do to force himself to enter the kitchen. Finally, he entered the kitchen, but the problem is he does not know how to cook. Everybody in the house is hungry, and the man in the kitchen keeps shouting, "I suffered to enter here." Nigeria is that house. Many leaders fought their way into power but don't know what to do with it. Let's be honest here. Does the kitchen story remind you of anybody in Nigeria political class? Just drop his name in the comment section if you understand that analogy. To be sincere with you, Nigerian leaders are very good at playing ethnic, religion, dividing citizens, and promising heaven and earth to get to power and to attain political positions. They know when to smile, when to threaten, when to disappear, when to maneuver. That is why some people stay relevant for 20 to 30 years without fixing one sector. Politics keeps them alive. Governance exposes them. If you know someone who still believes shouting equals leadership, share this video with them. Let's reason together as a country. Good governance is about the system, the data, and the long-term planning. Good governance is about institutions, not individuals. It is about fixing electricity quietly, improving schools and health sector, training and improving the life of civil servants. But this kind of work does not bring applause, so many politicians avoid it. They prefer appointing loyal people, not competent people. Project you can commission, but you cannot maintain it. Announcement instead of results. Meanwhile, citizens are just surviving. Here are the painful truths. You can be a political genius and still be a governance disaster. Some leaders are not evil. They are just not built for governance. They know how to win power, but they don't know how to manage complexity. And power without competence is dangerous. This is how roads are awarded but never completed. Policies are announced but never implemented. Ministries exist but don't function. Everything becomes a promise. Nothing becomes progress. Before we continue, I want to hear from you in the comment section. Do you think Nigeria's problem is bad leaders or a system that reward the wrong people? Drop your honest opinion in the comment section. Now let's face ourselves, because this is where you, the citizens, need to understand what you are doing wrongly. In Nigeria, the citizens reward noise. They reward drama, strong talk, big grammars. They clap for confidence, not competence. We ask, can he fight? Can he do our kinds of politics? Instead of asking, can he build? Until voters start demanding results over rhetoric, systems over slogans, we will keep recycling the same pattern. Different faces, same outcome. That is what we are going to be experiencing day after day and year after year. If you enjoy calm, deep conversation like this, subscribe to this channel. Here we think, we don't shout. Nigeria does not lack politicians. Nigeria lacks true governors. We have people who know how to grab power, but not how to use it. And until we separate political skills from governance capacity, development will remain a promise, not a reality. Let me leave you with this. Power is easy to win. Responsibility is harder to carry. If this message touched you, like this video, share it with one Nigerian. Comment your thoughts in the comment section. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell, because Nigeria will not change by silence. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.